Delighted to be joined on Mobile World Live by the President of ZTE's Overseas Sales, Xiao Ming. Xiao Ming, it's great to see you.
Justin, great to see you as well.
Thanks for joining us. Now, of course, the world is thankfully recovering resiliently and orderly from the pandemic that we've experienced from the last few years or so. What do you expect with that in mind, Xiao Ming, for some of the trends that we might see in 2023 from 5G and the wider telecom industry?
Yeah, very happy that we are eventually coming out of the pandemic. And I believe our industry, especially the 5G technology, will drive the recovery. And I believe the common trend is very simple. The first one, we have to help the operators develop the 5G network faster by using our technology, integrate multiple bands in one radio unit. That will be simplify and also speed up the development of 5G. And the second trend is the new technology like AI, XR, this new technology will help the network really become autonomous, and the coverage will become better, and the integration, interact with the users will be much easier and faster. And the third trend we believe will be the computing power, because we are integrating not only the people but also different IoT users. In that case, the computing power will be further improved and enhanced, and not only in the data centers but also like ZTE's technology, we can distribute the computing power in the very edge of the network. And in all these different trends, I think it's very exciting. This time ZTE will showcase a lot of interesting solutions in MWC, like the world's largest UBR products and the widest band AAU, and also the very smart technology like RIS 2.0. All these different technologies will help our operators, customers around the world to develop a really smart 5G network and enable the recovery.
And tell us a little bit more, Xiao Ming, about how the role of 5G and the ICT industry can really help in the recovery and development of the international economy, and also what role will ZTE play in this?
5G is become more and more involving in all different industries. We are creating an ecosystem not only for the communications industry but also all the other integrated vertical industries. The 5G technology is creating a digital foundation as an infrastructure foundation for all the different type of industries. So this is become very interesting, and behind this you will need to have very powerful 5G single network to cope with all these different type of demands. And secondly, we will see in the future the 5G network will be able to, we can integrate with some, sensing functions to allow the 5G network be more captive, and they are able to sense what things around and become, we can get rid of a lot of old technologies, and this will help the operators create new business models. And ZTE is working also very hard with these a lot of underlying technologies. So we are super innovative in the algorithm, chipset, operating system, and so on. And also we can see ZTE is also working very hard with this in many new fields, the new material. We talked about the RIS. We also, work very actively to not only integrate with the coverage from the ground, but also from the satellite. Make sure the 5G service will be enjoyed by everyone and everything on this planet.
Xiao Ming, it's great to get your thoughts. We wish you a very successful MWC Barcelona. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you, Justin.